Morning, YouTube. I got a problem here. I'm in a 2002 Audi S6, a 4.2 liter V8. No start. I found this 40 amp fuse blown, replaced it, still no start. Crank, nothing. So I was like, okay, not getting any fuel. So I come out here after I replaced the fuse. I unhook this fuel line, crank, and I'm getting no fuel out of here. So I hook the fuel line back up and I go to replace the fuel pump. We take the fuel pump out of this car here. And take this fuel pump out of here. Let's see. This one was good, I know. It was pumping, working fine. Let me go put it in here. So here's my new fuel pump out of the green all road. I'll hook back up. I was clamped them back on. And still nothing. So I unhooked the fuel line again. I'm still not getting any fuel. So I don't know if I got an electrical problem. Check my fuses. I only found that one big 40 amp blade fuse blown. That was up in here. Up in there. So I don't know. What's the next thing? If I got to pull all the spark plugs out, chase back. If I'm not getting any fuel or spark, I don't know if maybe my computer's not working right. I don't know. Need some help. Thanks.